Hey friends, are you ready for DSP Paper Share Sketch Project number 13? I am. Let's go. Okay, today we're using the delightfully electric pattern paper and we're using the bubble bath prints shown here above. Here's the first pattern of DSP. The two sides are shown. We're going to be using the 2 by 2 3/4 piece of flowered paper here. This is the second pattern of DSP. I've flipped over so you can see the two different sides. We're using the bubble bath pattern and we'll leave the strawberries for another day. I dry embossed the card base with the exposed brick 3D embossing folder. Just a little texture in the background. Our embellishments come from the Meadow Dies collection. I did them in Bubble Bath, Berry Burst, and Basic White. Okay, so here are the elements for our card. You can see I've got the details down the side here, and we're going to go ahead and put this together. First, we're going to start by putting on these two thin pieces of DSP, 1 by 2 3/4 on both sides. I position them just slightly in from the edges to give it a little border, and then the center piece, which is 2 by 2 3/4, is going to go on with dimensionals. This just gives it a little bit of lift from the two side parts. Now we're going to add that whole element to the center of our card with mono adhesive. Just position it so it has even edging around the sides. With Berry Burst ink, I went ahead and stamped the "Hey There" sentiment from Charming Sentiments right on that tag from the Metal Dies. I added a bit of color with my Stampin' Right marker in the center of our Bubble Bath die cut flowers. This will help match the DSP on our card. To add our die cuts, we're going to use dimensionals. You can see here how I've added them to the back. First up is the flower sprig. It's just offset from the center. The sentiment tag will be next. You can see I added just a little bit of mono adhesive to the opposite side of the dimensional, just so it doesn't get too thick. Now with the sentiment in place, we can add our little butterfly. And here is our finished card for today. What do you think? You can find all of these sketch project videos in one place. Just subscribe to the playlist on YouTube. I have a new mini tutorials email subscription. Follow the link in the description to get yourself signed up to get these tutorials. Did you know that I send out thank you kits every month when you place an order with me? Surprise! This is this month's thank you kit. Make sure you get your order in so you can get your kit from me. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Don't miss anything I share. You're also welcome to sign up for my newsletter that comes out every Monday. And really, you can help Girl out by giving me that thumbs up, leaving me a comment, and sharing my content with the friends that you like to craft with. Thanks everybody. We'll craft again soon.